Hello everyone, today we are going to be making native coconut rice. Yes, you heard me right. The smell is simply irresistible and is going to have your neighbors knocking on your door and asking for a plate. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on here, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like and comment. Today we are going to be making native coconut rice and we have our ingredients on the screen. The last time I made coconut rice, it was a hit, so I'm making it again, but this time I'm making use of some dried catfish. Okay, in a clean pot I'll be going in with my chicken thighs, and then I'll be seasoning this with some salt, some powdered chicken seasoning. I would also be adding some onion powder. You guys know I love my onion powder, right? I would add some chopped onions, water, a little curry powder, and I'm just going to give this a good mix, cover and allow to cook. Our chicken has cooked now, so I'm just going to be air frying it and setting it aside. In another pot, I'll be going in with my coconut oil. This is a must. Using coconut oil is a must. I highly recommend this. I would also be going in with my chopped onions, and then I'll be adding my washed dried catfish. I'm going to be frying this lightly to allow the fish release its flavor. Yes, I'll fry this for a bit and then I'll be adding my pepper mix. This is just a combination of some habanero pepper, some tateche and bell peppers. Yes, the red bell peppers. I would also be adding a little sesame oil. You can alternate between adding sesame oil and coconut oil. I prefer to make use of both because it gives it this delicious umami flavor. Once this is done, I covered it and allowed to cook. It has fried for a bit, and then I would be adding my washed basmati rice to this. I'm going to be toasting this together to allow the ingredients mixing properly. Yes, I'm just going to be toasting this till I'm satisfied, and then I added a little salt. Yes, I added a little salt and kept on toasting. I also added some chicken seasoning to this. Okay, once we are done toasting, I will then be adding my coconut milk to this. I really love this coconut milk. I've tried a lot of coconut milk, but I have to say this is the best one so far. It has these tiny chunks of coconut in it, and it's really yummy. I added the coconut milk and then I added some water. I also added my crayfish powder to this. Give this a very good stir. Added the remainder of my crayfish powder and then I added water. I added water to this, gave this another mix and just covered it and allowed to cook. You can see how rich it looks. Yes, so our coconut rice is ready. Guys, what do you think of this recipe? Would you be trying this out? Please, 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 you need to try this out and let me know how it goes. Our coconut rice is ready and I'm just going to be serving this up for myself. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.